G'day, I'm Steve from the Canon Collective. When it comes to macro photography, there's dedicated gear that will help you refine your detail and get the most out of your shot. So let's get into it and unpack my bag. Firstly, never can go too far away from my EOS R full frame, my trusty EF 100mm L series macro lens, some extension tubes, and I've brought a ring light with me. Another thing that will be very handy for you is a very sturdy tripod. So a great way to start your macro journey is having a look at a set of extension tubes. They bring that lens physically closer to your subject. Will get you that little bit further away from that redback spider or Sydney funnel web. So you can convert a standard kit lens and create a macro lens by using an extension tube with a dedicated macro like the 100mm. So the more extension tubes we attach to the back of a macro lens, the closer that we can come to our subject, and the larger that reproduction ratio will become. There are other more advanced techniques that you can use to create a larger depth of field in your macro images. And one of the techniques is called focus stacking. Now, what it requires is a series, could be 10, could be 20 or 30 plus images taken, but at various different focus increments. And all of those images placed or stacked together in Photoshop or a dedicated focus stacking software, and you'll get an image with a greater depth of field. However, check out our brand new EOS RP. It has an amazing focus stacking solution called focus bracketing, and it even has, with its dedicated digital photo professional software, the ability for you to not just combine those images, but to edit how much depth of field that you're going to require for your favorite shot. Thanks for looking through my macro kit. Don't forget to check out the website for other unpacked videos.